Hello everyone, what do we have here? We have a micro, and I will call it micro, 1/4 inch drive, flex head ratchet. It is 3 3/4 inch long. You have your standard 1/4 inch on that side. Then you got your hex 1/4 inch on that side. As you see, it's a flex drive. Head feels pretty tight. Gears don't feel bad. This thing is so small. And as we see, it is approximately we will say 3/4 inch wide. That is small, folks. It's actually not quite even a full 3/4 inch. Again, it is not even 4 inches long. That thing is so small. There's my finger. I picked it up on Temu. I think it was $6. Gears don't feel bad at all. Now you're talking about something that can get into a little bitty spot. That is hilarious. I was like, there's no way. For $6. Little spoon type handle. You know, I can't really close my hand on it. But, you know, I guess this is something you work with the fingertips. We will be trying this. Let's see how it works. Don't get me wrong, it has some back drag. It does. I don't know, maybe 64 tooth. I think it said it was 72 tooth, to be honest with you. That is so crazy. And you can actually service the head on it. There's a little snap ring in there. And, you can go ahead, snap ring it. You pull the snap ring out. Maybe put a little bit of oil in it. It's brand new. I just got it in the mail. So I have not had a chance to play with it. But I will be using it. As long as I can hold on to the little thing. It's so small, it's cute. You know, I can't even grab the hand. It feels tight. I can't really hold on to it enough to do much with it, but like I said, it's a fingertip tool. Definitely one of the smaller ratchets I've ever seen in my life. For 1/4 inch, and like I said, $6. I'm sure there's certain things that come in handy. Under a dash, maybe. And a heater control box under the dash. You can get in there right with it. I suppose there's probably times where you get in it with, you know, spots with this that you couldn't actually with a ratchet wrench. You know, it's just, it's a little crazy. It looks like it's just a regular pin. Doesn't look like it's actually screwed in. Yeah, it's just a set pin. But if it does loosen up a lot, you could see if you find yourself a real small wavy, or even drive that little set pin in a little farther maybe. But for $6, for $6 and it got you through one job that you couldn't get into it with no almost ratchet, I think it's well worth it. It doesn't feel like it's jamming up at all. It definitely sounds like it used some oil. Maybe I will try to pop it apart and see if I can get a little bit of oil in there. Maybe just squirt a little bit of lube in there. Maybe we'll find its way in it. It's hard to say. I'm using the camera to actually look in it. There, we'll brighten it up for you a little. See the little set pin in there? Little spring pin in there? Yep, right there. 1/4 inch. I don't know. We may be able to try to put a little bit of oil in there. I can actually see it better through my camera than I can in real life. The chrome doesn't look bad. You know, hell, you can see my damn fingerprints on it. See? What you see is my fingers moving back and forth. The head itself's not moving. That is so cool. Alright, folks, have a great day. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Share it. Tell me what you think. I'll post the link to it down in the description. Just for $6. I'm pretty sure it's $6. It's just the coolest little thing ever. Later, folks.